All right, next up, we have, try to keep those things clear and organized there. Let me get that out of the way. Next up, we'll take a little walk down memory lane again. Oh my gosh, it's probably been 3 years ago now that we released the first In the Box stamp set. All right, so In the Box stamp set had 2 little boxes. They are kind of a double outline. One of them is hand outlined by me. The other one was drawn with a ruler by me. We photographed it and turned those into stamps. So those are the OG, just In the Box, right? In the Box stamps. And then not long after that, we came out with the In the Box metal dies that would then cut out those little boxes, all right? In the Box. I don't know, maybe a year or so later, we came out with In the Box 2. So more fun little boxes in that same style of In the Box. And we released the In the Box 2 metal die sets to go with that. Then last year, we released In the Box Scallop. So 2 fun little scallop stamp sets and the coordinating In the Box scallop metal dies. Today, we've released now the 4th in the series of In the Box, and that is In the Box Quotes. That is a 4x6 stamp set, 1, 2, 3, 4 box. Well, boxes, 1 circle, right? You've got a box, you've got 2 different rectangles, you have that little guy. And then you even have these 2 little quotes, all right? So if you wanted to make your own boxes, or if you wanted to add quotes somewhere else on that same set, you have open quotes and closed quotes, all right? So In the Box Quotes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your 2 little quotes, In the Box Quotes. And I believe Amy, that Amy has, I know she has, Amy included the dimensions of those boxes on the website. Denise, I see you asking about this. There is a blog post. This is my little sorter. There's a blog post on the website at laylebymail.com about a bunch of the tools I use for organizing like that. All right, so I will, Amy, if you can find it and want to post it in the chat, that would be awesome. But I'll also post it in the description box of the video when I'm done, because there's lots of organizational things like that. That guy too. Maybe that's the one you're talking about. I have a couple of different holders like that. All right, so let's take a look at, let me get this guy out of the way. Let's take a look at some examples with that In the Box quotes. If you are intimately familiar with the 2024 Listing with Layle idea book, you will see in the book itself, we had used kind of this treatment for some fun quotes in the idea book. And so I knew as soon as we did that, I'm like, oh, we need to come out with this stamp. You guys, this stamp we've probably had just waiting in the wings. I don't know, probably a good 6 months at least. Because sometimes we work ahead like that. Well, we were trying to get better at that. All right, so we're going to go back to this guy now. This is Rachel's kind of planner spread there. And we see what she's done here. We have a In the Box quote there. We have an In the Box quote there. And we have an In the Box quote over here. So in this In the Box quote, she's done a little bit of journaling. And this In the Box quote, she's actually added a quote. I am creating a revolution in my own self-care. So you can write in there. Well, in both cases, you're writing, right? I mean, you can kind of make a list in there. You can do your journaling in there, or you could actually put a quote in there. Speaking of actually putting a quote in there, that's what she did over here. And I was reading when she sent this project. Her husband's a law professor at the University of Memphis who worked for the Federal Trade Commission during the Biden administration. There's all kinds of things. I guess this is something about antitrust, something or other. But he was quoted in this article. So she actually printed it out and put his quote in that In the Box quote, which I thought was so clever, right? So a couple of different ways of using that In the Box quotes. All right, now we're also going to see another example. I meant to show you this one earlier. This I thought was so clever. Rachel on another project had actually used one of the postage builder frames. She added a little photo inside of that. Which I thought that was so stinking clever, right? You can add a little photo to your little frames too. All right, so now let's look at one more example of the In the Box quotes. So this is a project from Jessica Michaels. You're going to see a couple of new products here, but right now we're going to focus on the in the box quotes. So Jessica used in the box quotes, the stamp and the die set for this little guy right there, right? So she stamped it out and then she used the metal die. And there's an example of why you might want to use a metal die. Part of her stamp is covering the photo, right? So that would look very different if she had just stamped directly on that page. It'd be part on the page and part on the photo, and that probably wouldn't work so well. So instead, she stamped in the box quote on a piece of white cardstock and then used that coordinating metal die, cut it out.